Pagenti. What is say now? Keife bu now. Kifa wage na school bu now. A noun is a name of a person, animal, place or one okuna all thing. Now be a noun, name of a person. Give the pronoun. A word used instead of a noun. We compare that the two. Digest. Digest here. Reason. Are you a noun or a pronoun? Do you have a name? In Walafa. In Walafa. Iye na jo ekete in Walafa. A noun ba afa mmadu. Pronoun bu nochi afa. Iyasi mbezu okwu. Mgbe nọ na school ka no man enwe ma afa. Anti chikpo ochikpo ne potokpo. Obi nwanne anko. Obi nwanne is a noun. Ko bu pronoun. Una enwala afa. Isolu menu ji ego dapata da December. Amologi na amolo menu ji ego ka ama. MC welu mic say ka na bata odogwu na Malaysia and entourage. Iwo entourage. I nwere afa. Babi go si igbo mbo upgrade ye ka iburu a noun ka inwe afa. I never na akoyati yati ubosi ana aga. Yi mo me bia post oyiye na Facebook, mo on Instagram, ona bia yoba ego. Bless your boy. Ine mo oge pronoun, mana chuku keke ka iburu a noun. Ine mo oge pronoun, ina aye ego. What does it take to become a noun? A name of a person. Even ufana budu pronoun self. Ufana pose non-animalistic objects. They're not even an animal. If we say bambo, hustle baba hustle bambo, ki wafa. Agba afa like this, so no me kuto go bari yes na emo nya. Ida bata asiki konye bu, ozu ikula afa ge emepe erugu uzo. Check emens na. Enere na eme ka pronoun inwala afa. I did the guy there, friends and co and where we say. So what I am again now? Kiri galo school, guy into Solundi Gas School, first class upper, here na forever, first class. Bogi the first from nursery go to secondary. The age was I'm even good school, makachi kana wage. Then I said Anthony Joe get man, no more yembo. What the one from get one? Just a noun, a name of a person, a noun, pronoun use this sort of a noun. Ibu a noun, kibu a pronoun. Joe we got to join. Just joy ejucha echi. Ibe gwa mi reason te.